Welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company. My name is Colin and today we're in week 3 of the How to Grow a Beard series. I'm very impatient as always. I'm growing for the last 3 weeks. It's very fuzzy, but now it's time to give you some tips. So it's day 21 on the 3-week journey. As you can see, it's a little bit fuzzier than it was last week. Last week was kind of from the stubble phase into a little bit of the untidy phase. Now we've gone fuzzy and we've got a few hairs sticking out here. We've got a little bit of hair coming over our lip. But just to recap on what we've done over the last 2 weeks, we started off clean shaven, then we went into the stubble phase. There's not much we could do product wise. We just trimmed our cheek lines and our neckline. We're going to do the same today, but obviously I've done it already, so I'm not going to repeat that in the video. So if you are on week 3, make sure you keep an eye on that cheek line and the neckline. You're going to run your razor across your cheeks, and also just where your neck meets your head, you're going to run your razor along there as well and get it nice and looking well. So for today we're going to focus on our lip area. As your beard gets longer, your hair is going to come over your lips, and I'm personally not a fan. People who follow my videos know that I don't like my hair coming over my lips. Now you have a choice to make here. Do you cut your lip hair across here just to make sure people can see your lips when you're smiling and all that, or do you have ideas of going for a big mustache down the line? If that's the case, you will actually leave your hair grow over your lip a little bit, because when you are doing your mustache, you're going to swoop it across away from your mouth and you can twirl it up at the end. Personally, I'm going to go for a mustache where it's kind of clean lines over the lips, but also it's going to have some length on the sides, and you will be able to curl it up then. So get your beard scissors or any scissors, and what you're looking for with your scissors is that it's nice and sharp, nice and pointy at the top. You don't really want a blunt scissors, because it'll be a little bit more difficult to get in there and get the hairs away that we need to get away. So sharp scissors, be careful of your lips, don't stab your lips. I'm gonna have my mirror here and we're gonna go for it. So again, you're just kind of, I like the smile because it kind of shows me where exactly the hairs are coming over my lips. So if you smile, and you're just gonna go start in the middle and go across one side, start in the middle, go across the other side. So let's do that now. That's it, nice kind of straight line. And you're just gonna go to the corner of your mouth. You don't want to go any bit further. So one more time, smile. That's it. So I've gone middle to one side. Let's go to the other side. So as you can see, you're smiling. It's a lot neater along there now with your lip line. So that's the first tip for week 3. Again, I found myself to be very impatient on this one. You know, it's been 10 years since I grew a beard. I thought it was going to grow a lot faster. It is growing fast. It's only week 3, but you know, stay patient. This is probably more untidy looking than week 2. So again, you got to be careful of just throwing in the towel and shaving it all off. I'd say if we just hold on for one more week, it'll be well worth it. So you've trimmed your lips. You've obviously been using your beard oil for the skin underneath the beard. That was in week 2 video, and you've also been brushing your beard as well down from ears to chin. So for week 3 and week 4, depending on how fast your growth is, you may want to have a look at a little bit of beard balm. Now, so if you can see on the side of my face here, there are a few stray hairs poking out, and you kind of want to look at taming those a little bit, because as your beard grows, you certainly don't want to trim those off, because you do want to get the fullness of your beard and get it nice and thick and as strong as possible. So we're just going to calm those down with a little bit of beard balm. Now, I've had a few questions in the past about the different terminology regards beard products, and it is a little bit confusing. When I think of the word balm, I think of almost like a lotion and a kind of a soft kind of, I don't know, soft lotion type product. But what balm basically is in the beard world is kind of almost like a beard wax. Why do they not call it a beard wax? They don't call it a beard wax because there's also mustache wax, so don't want it to be confusing. So the balm, when you're looking for a balm, you want to get a product that has a little bit of beeswax in it. What the beeswax is, it's a very kind of, it hardens, when it goes cold it hardens, and it gives you that kind of control. It stiffens on your beard slightly. So if you are looking for a beard balm, you want the beeswax to be the first, second or third ingredient. Ideally the first or second ingredient when you look at the back. So that makes sure you're going to have a little bit of a hole. So with the beard balm, it can be a little bit of a tricky product to use. It is a hard kind of wax-like substance. So the best thing you do is grab your nail, run your nail across the top of it. Then you're going to transfer the balm onto your palms, your hands. You've seen me do this in plenty of other videos. From here, then rub your palms together. That'll melt the balm, kind of get it into almost a liquid. And now you're going to rub from your ears to your chin. And now we don't have a lot of growth here, so you don't need a lot. It's almost like preparing your beard for what's coming in the next couple of weeks. So really kind of flatten out those hairs. Once you've done that with your hands, you're going to grab your brush and we're going to brush down. And just to give yourself an extra bit of kind of straightening, you're going to use your hand as well in between brushes if you can. Again, you're not working with a lot of hair. It's only week 3, but it will help it look nice and neat, especially for work. If you are going to work, you don't really want to look super untidy, so this will help out a lot. So again, one brush stroke, one palm stroke, move it along side to side around the mouth, and that should make it a little bit more controlled looking, and especially as we go into week 4 and week 5. I was thinking about this video last night, and it's the first time I'm growing a beard using beard products, and I was actually just stroking my beard last night, and it does feel a lot softer using the beard oil than when I did when I was growing it 10 years ago. When I was growing it 10 years ago, there was no beard products around. It was super difficult to even find any beard oil. I remember going to a barber shop in Spain, getting my beard trimmed, and I was asking about it, and they didn't have a clue what beard oil was, so it was quite difficult. So make use of the beard oil to let your beard be as healthy and as soft as possible going through this process. It'll make it more comfortable, get rid of all that beard itch. And like I said, now we're going to move on to the next phase, which is adding a little bit of beard balm to just get rid of those stray hairs. So in a nutshell, your beard routine at the moment is beard soap, beard wash. Make sure you clean your beard at least, or well, not at least, I clean my beard once a day. You don't really want to be cleaning it more than once a day, I think, because it can kind of over dry it and get rid of all those natural oils. So once a day I think is fine with the pollutants and the food that you're eating around your beard. That's a good tip, just once a day. From there, you're going to put on a few drops of beard oil. Again, your beard is small, only going for 4, 5, 6 drops of beard oil. You're going to use your beard brush to itch your beard. Make sure you have it with you rather than kind of sticking your fingers in your beard, itching it. Use your beard brush, and then finally your beard scissors for a little bit of trimming around the lips, your razor for your cheeks and your neckline, and also a little bit of beard balm just to control everything. So there's a lot going on. It's week 3, but I'm super excited to go on to week 4, week 5. We may add a little bit of beard butter down the line, and possibly a beard comb as it gets very long. But make sure you comment in the section below, leave your questions for me. I'll always reply to those. Subscribe to the video if you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.